Is Claude Code actually free? Let me give you the real answer right up front because there's one part that surprises almost everybody. The tool itself, free to install. Costs nothing to download. But here's the catch, most people don't see coming, you cannot use it on the free Claude plan. The free chat plan does not include Claude Code at all. To actually use it, you need a paid plan and the cheapest one is $20 a month. So that's the honest answer. The tool is free, but using it starts at $20. But stick with me for a few minutes, because which plan you pick is exactly where people mess up. Pick wrong and you either can't use it at all, or you overpay by $100+ a month for limits you'll never touch. I'm going to walk you through every option, what you actually get, the one genuinely free way to try it, and which choice is right for you. No fluff, no fine print, no affiliate nonsense. So first, let's untangle this. When people ask, is Claude Code free? There are really two questions hiding in there. One, does the software cost money? And two, does using it cost money? The software, the actual Claude Code tool you run in your terminal, is completely free to download and install. Nothing to pay there, ever. So that part is genuinely free. The catch is the second question. Claude Code has to talk to Anthropic's AI to do anything, and that is the part that costs money. And here's a specific thing that trips people up. That free Claude account you might already have for chatting, the one at Claude.ai, it does not include Claude Code. People assume I've got a free Claude account, so Claude Code must be free for me too. It isn't. The free plan gets you the chat. It does not get you the coding tool. So is there any free way to actually run it? Kind of, but not the way you'd expect. It is not the free chat plan. The one real free taste comes to the developer side, the API. When you make a new API account, you typically get a small bit of starter credit, and Claude Code can run on that credit, pay as you go, until it's used up. So that is your genuine free trial. It's narrow, it's small, but it's real. Enough to run a few sessions and see if this clicks before you ever pay a cent. Okay, now the plan that matters for most of you. Pro, $20 a month or about $17 a month if you pay for the whole year upfront. And this is the important part, Claude Code is included. You're not paying extra for it. Pro gets you the tool plus enough daily usage for most people doing real work. Building little apps, automating boring tasks, learning to code, side projects. For the vast majority of people watching this, Pro is the answer. Full stop. $20, done, go build something. I want to be really clear because the internet loves to overcomplicate this. If you're a normal person who wants to use Claude Code for normal things, you do not need to think harder than this. Get Pro. You can always move up later if you outgrow it, and trust me, you know when you do, because you will start bumping into your usage limits. And let me make that $20 concrete, because usage limits stays vague until you filled one. If you open Claude Code a few times a week to build a small thing or automate some task, you'll almost certainly never hit the Pro ceiling. It'll feel basically unlimited. If you're going harder, coding an hour or two most days, you might occasionally bump the limit near the end of a big session, wait a little while, and then keep right on going. It's really only when you're living in it for hours every single day that Pro starts to pinch. So picture your own week, honestly, and you'll already know where you land. So when do you actually upgrade? That's the Max plan. And Max comes in two flavors. The first is $100 a month, and it gives you roughly 5 times the usage of Pro. The second is $200 a month, and that's about 20 times Pro. These are for people who are basically living inside Claude Code all day. Professional developers, people running it constantly, folks who would blow through the Pro limits by lunchtime. Here's my honest take. If you're sitting there wondering, should I get Max? The answer is almost certainly no, not yet. Max is for when Pro is actively slowing you down, when you're hitting limits every single day and it's costing you real time. Until that is actually happening, every dollar above 20 is money you don't need to spend. Start at Pro. Let your real usage tell you when to move up. Don't pay for headroom, you're just imagining. Quick one for anyone working with other people. There's a team plan, around $25 per person per month, and it also includes Claude Code plus the stuff teams need, like shared billing and management. If it's just you, ignore this completely. If you've got a few people who all need it, that's what it's there for. Now, back to that API for a second, because it isn't only a free trial, it's also a real way to pay. Instead of a monthly subscription, you can run Claude Code through the API and pay per use. Think of it like a taxi meter instead of a monthly bus pass. You're billed for exactly what you consume, based on how much the AI reads and writes. Who is that for? Honestly, mostly developers and businesses with specific needs. For most individuals, the flat monthly pro plan is simpler and usually cheaper because you're not watching a meter run every time you ask a question. The subscription is predictable, the API is precise, and for 95% of people, predictable wins. So unless you have a specific reason to go API, just get Pro. Let me also save you from a couple of traps. First, coding uses way more than chatting. Once you're on a paid plan and actually building, Claude Code chews through usage faster than casual chat ever did because the AI is reading your files, writing code, and checking its own work. That's normal. It's just why your limits feel smaller the moment you start really building instead of just asking questions. Second, do not prepay for a whole year until you know you'll stick with it. Yes, annual billing saves you a few bucks a month, but pay monthly first. Make sure this is genuinely part of your life before you commit 12 months upfront. There's no price for locking in early. And third, ignore anyone selling you secret. Race to get the whole thing free forever. The one legit free part is that little bit of API starter credit, and it's small. Everything beyond that, the sketchy unlimited free Claude Code stuff, is either against the rules or a flat out scam. The honest price is 20 bucks, and that is already cheap for what this thing does. So is $20 a month actually worth it? Here's how I think about it. If you use Claude Code to build even one small thing you genuinely wanted, or to learn something that would have taken you weeks on your own, it has already paid for itself many times over. It's roughly the price of 2 coffees. Compared to what it can build with you, that math is not close. But, and I really mean this, only you can decide if you'll actually use it. A subscription you forget about is just money down the drain. So if you get it, commit to actually opening it and making things. That's where all the value is. Let me put a bow on the whole thing. The Claude Code tool is free to install, but the free Claude chat plan does not include it. Actually using it needs a paid plan or API credit. Your one genuine free taste is that bit of API starter credit. Bro, at $20 a month includes Claude Code and is the right pick for almost everyone. Max at 100 or 200 is only worth it once. Pro is genuinely slowing you down. Team is for groups. And the honest, no-nonsense recommendation for 90% of you is this: start with Pro, build something real, and upgrade only when your own usage tells you to. Next up, now that you know what it costs, I'm going to show you the single best first project to actually justify that 20 bucks. Something you can build today that will make you go, okay, yeah, that was absolutely worth it. If you want that one, subscribe so it shows up for you. And hey, go install Claude Code and at least poke at it on that little bit of free API credit. That's the moment it all clicks. I'll see you in the next one.